Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find phone number of users in a group in Telegram. Well, it's pretty straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Once you have downloaded your Telegram app and logged in, you will have a page similar to this one. Now, if you are in any of the groups and you want to find the phone number of the users, just click on this profile that you want to find the phone number of. Now, in order to find the phone number of the user, you need to click on this add to contacts. And once you click on this done, a contact request will be sent to this user. And once they've added you as a contact, you can view the phone number right in this profile of theirs. Now you know how to find the phone number of users in a group in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding finding phone numbers of users in group in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.